Marina, and Francesca for being on stage in my session, Time to Empower. It was really inspiring. Now that we've talked about the female perspective in mobility, I like to continue with my second session, which is about design. It's called Electric Presents a New Horizons in Design, Entertainment, and Materials. It's all about design and how is design shaping the future of mobility. It's not only about silhouettes anymore. Materials, user experience, and interface are relevant success factors for the design of the future of mobility. We will deep dive into this topic now, and we will really have some inspiring brands on stage, like Plume, BMW Designworks, and Pininfarina. Let's start with the young French brand Plume. Plume was founded by Fabrice Furlan in 2019 with a goal to solve the problem of urban congestion. I'm really happy to have him on stage today with Antoine Chastan. He's the co-founder of Tweener, a design agency that works collaboratively on their electric scooter, Plume Allure. Fabrice and Antoine, the stage is yours.
Hi everyone, I'm Fabrice Furlan, the founder of Plume, and happy to be there and explain that is Plume. Just before, let me introduce Antoine Chastan, the founder of Tweener and also the design and R&D leader in Plume. Invent solutions that transform the way to move, it's the objective of Plume. But not only, it's also our ambition, and also the sense of the team and of the brand. We start in 2019. We are based in the north of France, you know, near Lille, the famous Lille city. And what we are in the north of France? Because the north of France is the area with the first manufactured automobile in France. And we have closed our office, many manufacturers and many processes in order to do our product. And we start the R&D since 2.5 years. You know, the micromobility is one of the solutions, useful solution for the future of our cities. And the future products of the micromobility vehicles needs to be clean, needs to be safe, and needs to be sustainable and repairable. And it's important for the new future micromobility device vehicles needs to take in account the consumer needs and the planet's needs. Why? Because since several years, many people choose the e-scooters for their daily use. And the market in France is the first market in Europe. And you know, you can see on the slides, the market in France, it's more than plus 40% every year since 5 years. If we compare to the bicycle and e-bike market in France, the e-scooter is more bigger. At the beginning of this project, we listened the consumer and we listened the problem of the consumer for the e-scooters. And they said us many things, and they said us like this: lack of stability, bad feeling, bad autonomy, problem of stability, lack of visibility, fragility e-scooter machines, and you know, all of the products was manufactured in Asia, and all of this product is in polluting industry and polluting supplies Asia to Europe. All of this drawing our requirements. First, safety, safety, safety. Design, sustainable, and intensive use. It's the requirement of the product, but not only the product, It's become the requirement of the brand. It for that, we decided to challenge Antoine and Tweener to reinvent this product, and before that, also, we start a new design from scratch. I let Antoine explain to you this challenge, but before, we show you a video, and you can start the video. Je m'appelle Fabrice Furlan, j'ai tout juste 47 ans et je suis le fondateur de la société Plume.
On ne se rendait pas compte à quel point ce serait complexe quand on a démarré. Et peut-être que si on avait su au début, on ne l'aurait pas forcément fait, et heureusement qu'on n'a pas fait, quoi. Et qu'on n'a pas su, plutôt.
Aujourd'hui, une trottinette, c'est un tube droit, un deck, deux roues et juste un feu au milieu. Et qu'est-ce qu'on peut rajouter, qu'est-ce qu'on peut modifier? Il faut que ce soit un produit qui soit réparable, robuste, un produit éco-conçu pour remplacer la voiture. Vous voulez quelque chose qui soit identifiable de loin. Mais vraiment, l'objectif, c'est penser l'usager, se mettre à la place de l'usager.
Grosse accidentologie sur les trottinettes. On a essayé de concevoir une trottinette qui soit la plus sécuritaire possible.
Une des problématiques sur les engins de déplacement, c'est la visibilité. Les phases de workshop autour de ça, c'était ok, forcément il faut un feu, c'est la base. Et donc du coup, on s'est permis ce grand bandeau lumineux. Grâce à la technologie LED, je peux amener un changement de couleur et donc du coup un clignotant. On peut ajouter un changement de puissance et donc du coup créer une sorte de feu de route. On s'est servi du problème de la visibilité comme opportunité pour en faire un vecteur identitaire hyper important. Ce qui en fait aujourd'hui une trottinette qu'on voit nulle part.
À ma connaissance, on est les seuls à faire un produit origine France garanti. Vous pouvez trouver des industriels qui sont en France.
Et on est ravis aujourd'hui que certains comprennent effectivement qu'un produit qui est bien pensé s'industrialise bien à des coûts qui soient compétitifs même en France.
Votre engin sera pas le moins cher du marché, parce qu'on fait un engin qui est censé être durable pour un usage quotidien, pour ne pas dire intensif. Mais qu'est-ce qui fait que cet engin sera le moins coûteux? C'est sa capacité à être durable dans le temps, et la durabilité est synonyme aussi de la réparabilité.
Chez Plume, on a voulu rendre la trottinette connectée. L'utilisateur pourra savoir exactement quelle partie de la trottinette est défaillante. La batterie est capable d'identifier chacune des cellules, ce qui permet de changer uniquement certaines parties de la batterie.
C'est pas de faire un engin qui soit consommable et remplaçable, et c'est aussi un axe de décarbonation, parce qu'aujourd'hui, on va générer moins de déchets.
Avec une trottinette en France, avec toute la difficulté que ça comporte, c'est un frayeur. C'est voir à quel point les gens étaient motivés pour faire bouger les choses.
On n'est pas uniquement dans le militantisme de la production locale, mais aussi en apportant une solution de mobilité qui décongestionne nos villes.
Aujourd'hui, on sait très bien que l'automobile, c'est souvent une personne qui voyage dans une voiture, qui s'est déplacé beaucoup de poids par rapport aux besoins. Il y a eu un gros débat d'idées et c'est ça qui est intéressant.
C'est pas que de la technique, c'est aussi assurer la cohésion des équipes et le fait qu'on avance tous dans un but commun.
En France, on est capable de faire un beau produit tous ensemble, avec chacun des compétences complémentaires.
Et c'est pareil qu'on a fait. De partir d'une concurrence, c'est créer une nouvelle génération d'engins qui répondent vraiment aux besoins qui sont les besoins d'aujourd'hui.
Well, I'm delighted to present our work and our language today to you. We got a mix with the language for the video, indeed. Our goal was not only to translate into aesthetics the notion of safety. We really wanted to make safety a strong element of differentiation for our scooters. If we consider safety in terms of accidentology, three needs emerge. At first, the stability, the ability of the scooter to forgive the pilot errors or the fault of the road. Then the visibility, which is the ability to see and to be seen by the other users while riding. And the reliability, so the ability to deliver a sustainable performance to the user without any breakage of any kind while riding. Visibility seems to us to offer the greatest potential of differentiation for us. Indeed, most of the personal mobility devices allow you to see, but do not have any large visual element to be seen by the other users. Therefore, we decided to use visibility as the signature of the scooter. At this stage, we only got LEDs in one end and a scooter structure in the other. So first, we decided to use a double fork, giving us a larger lighting surface for our scooter. And then we have been leading an aesthetic research. We made many mock-ups, many trials to find the best way to do it. And finally, it is these great parentheses that have been imposing themselves, because thanks to this design, we can use the full length of the fork, having turning signal on both sides of the fork, and then lighten up a design that could be a little bold because of this double fork. Thanks to this, we can reinforce the safety of the users and affirm the style of La Plume Allure. Then we have been working on the stability and reliability aesthetic codes. So in connection with engineering, in connection with our industrial partners in the north of France, we have been working with a tubular structure with an oversized deck and still keeping our double fork that conveys the notion and the feeling of safety to our users. So that's exactly our idea of design. It's to combine the functions, here the safety, and the aesthetic of our product. So I hope you like it and you can wait to test it out. And to conclude, we are glad to share with you, this one it will not be in French, the new ad that we're going to release in November. We can launch the video. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.